Okay, now let's move on to this. Anyone remembers Peter? So the first one is to pause appropriately. When we say pause appropriately, we have short, long, and longer pauses. What by short, long, and longer? Short is for commas, and then
Peter
long
Pan.
is for ending punctuation. Longer pauses is for new paragraphs. The tone must be varied. So when we talk about the tone, it means that you must know when to go high, when to go low. Generally, if we are not done talking, our tone stays high. When we are done, your tone needs to go low to let the person know that you are done talking. See, if I end that way, it sounds like I am not done, but actually I am very, very done with my sentence. Okay, after that, you have to emphasize certain words. So what this means is that, for example, there. This word is always pronounced as there and not dia.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we have the word the. The is pronounced with consonants. We pronounce D when it is a vowel. For example, the egg, the. Okay, and the last one, please read enthusiastically. Read loudly, clearly, enthusiastically. So what this means is, for example, you also need to change your voice.
What do you mean by change your voice?
And you are reading a dialogue. So when you're reading a dialogue, change your pitch a bit higher. For example, Sally said, "Oh no, what do I do?" Just make sure that you change your voice, okay? So the teacher knows that it is someone else. Okay, so Stonehenge in southern England ranks among the world's most iconic archaeological sites and one of its greatest enigmas. The megalithic circle on Salisbury Plain inspires awe and fascination, but also intense debate some 4,600 years after it was built by ancient Britons who left no written record. The monument's mysterious past has spawned countless tales and theories. According to folklore, Stonehenge was created by Merlin, the wizard of Arthurian legend, who magically transported the massive stones from Ireland, where giants had assembled them. Another legend says invading Danes put the stones up, and another theory says they were the ruins of a Roman temple. Modern day interpretations are no less colorful, as some even argue that Stonehenge is a spacecraft landing area for aliens. Archaeological investigation of the site dates back to the 1660s when it was first surveyed by antiquarian John Aubrey. Aubrey wrongly credited Stonehenge to the much later Celts, believing it to be a religious center presided over by Druid priests. Okay, any words you need me to pronounce one more time?
No.
No?
Wait, the what something circle?
What circle? Where? Oh, megalithic. Megalithic circle. I will highlight the words you need to make sure to pronounce properly, okay? Words like archaeological, it's a mouthful, so make sure you prepare yourself. Arthurian legend. Interpretations, another long word.
Something electrical.
Archaeological investigation. Antiquarian.
Archaeological. Okay.
Archaeological. Isaiah, how about you?
The greatest something at the second sentence.
Greatest enigmas.
Is it Celts or is it
Celts. Pronounce it with a K. Celts. I'll leave this here, okay? So you can pronounce it later as Celts.
Okay. Wait, how about the last word?
With
The last paragraph, last word.
This one, priests.
Uh,
Priests are like
Druid, Druid,
the Catholic priests are the ones who are Druid, yes, Druid priests.
Druid.
So they're like the religious people.
Stonehenge is in southern England ranks among the world's most iconic or
Archaeological. Archaeological. 6 syllables.
oh my god. Sites and one of its greatest income.
Enigmas.
En-
Enig.
The megalithic circle on Salisbury Plain inspires. Did I say awe?
The
Do I say inspires awe?
yes, all. That's right.
Awe. And and fascination but also intense debate some 4,600 years after it was built by ancient Britons who left no written record.
Okay, good. Let's have Lisa.
The monument's mysterious past has spawned countless tales and theories. According to folklore, Stonehenge was created by Merlin, the wizard of Arthurian, Arthurian legend, who Arthurian legend who magically transported massive stones from Ireland. The giants had assembled them. Another legend says invading Danes put the stones up. And another theory says they were ruins of a Roman temple. Modern day interpretations are no less colorful, as some even argue that Stonehenge is a spacecraft landing in real time aliens.
Okay, Isaiah, your turn.
Alright. Stonehenge is southern England
Hello,
ranked.
Isaiah.
Huh?
Were you even listening?
Oh, sorry, I read the wrong part. Archaeological investigations of the site dates back to the 16th, when it was
1660s.
first surveyed by
Isaiah, 1660s.
1660s. It was first surveyed by
Aquarian.
antiquarian John Albury. Albury wrongly credited Stonehenge to much later Celts, okay,
Celts.
believing it to be a religious center presided over by Druid priests.
Okay. All right. Let's move on. So that is Stonehenge. Remember, this is the band descriptors that you need to look at to be able to score the top tier. So just make sure that you think about things like the way you articulate, your expression, use emotions, as well as make sure that you try not to hesitate or pause. Okay.